Okay, I'm going to capture Bigfoot. I'm going to lay this glove here like that. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to film him. See him react to what he does. Okay, I'm just going to have to sit here. Might take a little bit for him to come. Is he coming or what? I just saw him. Where is he? Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna sniff the glove. There he is. Oh, he just kind of ran off. Oh, yeah. Alright, gotta go chase him now. Where is he? Where is he? There's the little bugger. Oh, there he is. He's sniffing it. Yeah. May I remind you, he doesn't have very good ears or eyes. Just kind of sniffing it. Oh, crap! Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing? He's just kind of sniffing me now. What are you doing? That was weird.